Creation runs in our blood. There's nothing I hate hearing more than, I'm not creative. And we'll talk about that. No retreat would be complete without a quote from Brene Brown. So I'm going to read this quote. That's what we're going to start with. It's about creativity. There's no such thing as creative people and non-creative people. There are only people who use their creativity and people who don't. Unused creativity isn't benign. It metastasizes. It turns into grief, rage, judgment, sorrow, and shame. It's heavy, right? Yeah. But it's true. I think we've all felt that. It lives within us until it's expressed, which is what we're going to do here today. I'm super happy that we were invited to come today, and I'm so pleased you have all chosen to be in this workshop. It means a lot.